Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. This is the Ruined Temple of the Jungle from Funhole. 1,242 pieces, $70 US, and you can get it from Funhole Direct or you can find it on Amazon. And I love the look of this set. So you get lights with it, which I love because I love these sets that light up. Now let's take a peek inside the box. We get these instructions. They're very detailed and quite easy to read. Something fell out. What have I got? Oh, the sticker sheet, and this is to add way more detail onto the bricks. Let's take a look inside of the instructions, and here's just to show you how to install the wires correctly, because there's a certain way to put them in. And we get a brick separator tool, and it shows you what bag one and all the other bags do. And the lights, okay, how to fit them off. Looks pretty good. I love the feel of these books. The paper quality is really good. Now what's in here? I'm guessing it's all the LED lighting and the battery pack that comes in this one. Yep, nicely packaged to keep everything safe. I really love that you get lights included in these sets, so you can build and install the lights as you go. It's a lot easier that way. And lots of numbered bags here. Very nicely numbered so you can see which one's which. There's quite a lot here. In this set you get 3 minifigs included. They're a little bit different to Lego ones, so it'll be interesting to see them. And oh, a whole bag of transparent parts. Love the look of that. And these green, different coloured green string lights, because they are going to look like vines growing. So there's a lot of detail in this set. Yeah, I like these. I need more of these. They look really good. Get a 16 by 16 base plate, just bending this, and it's pretty good. That's what comes in this set. I have my exploration outfit on. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty, let's build. I'm up to the part now where I need to install some lights, so I'm just going to test these. And you need to make sure they go in a certain way, otherwise they won't work and you'll damage the wires. So there we go, they work. Nice and bright LED lights. This is for the blue gem or the blue ore that the adventurers are wanting to find at the temple. So this is going to look spectacular when it's lit up. Little bit fiddly to do, and you got to get those wires on correctly. So it looks like a giant lollipop at the moment. There we go. And then we just need to secure the wire there with one of the curved tiles there. And that just goes here, and now I'll attach all the lights and let's continue building. There is so much detail in this set. I love all the rock work around the base of the model. these whip parts that are for plants, the lava, and the lava looks magnificent when it's lit up. You'll see this is really a really nice set. And then we get this big pillar here, and it's going to have some flames coming out, and it's all going to be lit up beautifully. And then I just need to pop tiles and other bits and pieces on to try and disguise those wires. There are a lot of great building techniques within this set and great parts, lots of snot building techniques, and I just love that you get the lights included with this set. It really brings this set to life. I keep saying that, you will see. This has a feeling of Aztec or somewhere in the Amazon jungle, this set, and it sort of reminds me of an Indiana Jones inspired build, I think. I love these temple ruins, and these angled rockery parts really captures this set so well. I love it. There's a lot of ancient text carvings there on the walls. They use the stickers for, so you can really feel that this was by an ancient civilization. And this here's the big doors, and this is why I feel it's like the Aztecs. Like once you see it all together, you'll understand. I truly love this set. It's very clever. And it looks spectacular on display, and it's great to play with. There's a lot of things to do in this set. So I'm just going to pop the doors in here at the back. Okay, let's turn it around. Check out those doors and his teeth on the doors there. They look so good. It's really realistic. The design of this set is really wonderful. So I'm going to pop this top bit on here on top of the temple part, so we get more lights there. I need to click it all in place. These bricks are really good quality, I have to say, and the wires for the lights. It looks really good. What have I done here? Oh, hang on, I need to move the tiles across, so they need to line up there. Okay, I'll continue on here with the top part. I'm popping in this string light piece in the olive green colour, and see how it looks like a vine? There's a lot of foliage that goes into this set, and you get lots of plant and leaf pieces, and you get to build some flowers as well. And there's this one here, we've got like a big palm leaf, but it's not sitting right at the moment. I'll have to fix that in a sec. More lights, So I've popped in more lights along the little archway there, and I'm trying to hide the wires as much as I can, just so it looks a little bit neater. But in these instructions it is really detailed, so you can see where you put all the wires. Oh, and here we go, we get to clip this vine on here so it sits a lot better. I'll just fix it a little bit. It's a little bit fiddly, but there we go, it's done. This will be a big carved out stone that wobbles a bit, and it looks really cool next to the temple. It's so realistic, I love it. Now I need to pop in the little junction plate so I can hook up all of my lights, and I need to continue all the rock work around. And now the flowers. So these remind me of the Venus flytrap flowers. Here's that big monolithic rock that wobbles around. Oh, look at it, it's wobbling. And now I'm going to pop in those Venus flytrap flowers. Oh, this is looking spectacular. Wow. Now I just have to pop in all this foliage and extra rock parts around. So here's the set. These are the little minifigs. This is Gloria. So they look a lot different to Lego. I love their little bellies there and their little legs. My kids love them. They said they were cute. Now the other one's Henry and Alan. I'm not sure which ones they are. But he's got a lamp there walking around, and this guy's got a crossbow. I'm loving the look of that. They look so cute, but their arms look like monkeys a little bit. So this is the set with the lights off, and I've popped all the foliage on. Check out that lava lake. Like, that looks magnificent. Lots of vines happening, seaweed parts to make it look like vines growing out of the temple there. Love it. We have all come to explore this ancient temple. My cat and I have wandered off to check out the lava lake. We're at the front of those temple doors. Oh no, my cat has been trapped by the flower. And now we're playing Don't Touch the Lava game. The Fun Hole, the Ruined Temple of the Jungle set. Oh my goodness, what a set. I enjoyed building every single part of this. It's so easy to read the instructions. Putting the lights in is fantastic, and it looks magnificent lit up. I love how many transparent parts are used for the lava. It really brings this set to life, and the little flowers and leaf parts with the green lights. I absolutely love this set. I wish Lego would bring out a set like this, but do you know what? The quality of this set is on par with Lego, so if you can, get it. So everyone, get your bricks out.